Hello everyone, today we're building a fire pit in the backyard. Here's all the materials on the screen that we used for this project. We did skip the usual method Home Depot recommends, which is to use a stake with markup paint and drawing a circle first. We figured it would be just as well to form the circle with our stones, and then use a shovel to cut lines around the stones. Then we just removed the stones and did all of our digging. For our purposes, it worked pretty perfectly. We dug about 2 or 3 inches deep, that way we had plenty of room for our foundation. Once we dug out the dirt, we used a tamper to flatten the ground and make sure it was level. Then we poured our paver sand, did some spreading around with our shovel and rake, and tampered the sand nice and firm. When we laid the bricks, we noticed a couple spots around the edge of our dig where the walls weren't at the ideal 90-degree angle that I was hoping for, so I used a mallet on those stones to make sure they sat nice and level with the rest. When we laid our second layer of stones, we pulled out 4 of the smaller stones on the bottom layer. We picked up the tip from Average Dad's channel after watching him build a smokeless fire pit, and we really liked the idea of going as smokeless as possible with ours, so thanks for the tip. The pea pebbles are apparently good for drainage, so we used those and then we poured the lava rocks over the top. We love the color of these. And that's basically it. So let's see how the finished product looks at night. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're curious to learn more, I recommend checking out StatUpBox's fire pit video, as well as Average Dad for his smokeless fire pit. Have a good one!